Good afternoon. We're on our way to the Caribbean Corner in the lovely Swindon to try out their beautiful food and see what we think and show you guys a little bit of glimpse if you knew it was there, if you don't know it's there. So it's a little Caribbean restaurant. It does all the authentic Caribbean food. We will put a link to the website below for the video, so let's have a look. So I've gone for the jerk fish and it's the snapper, and then Kirk's gone for a mixture of ital stew, ake and callaloo and chickpea, rice and peas, and then let's tuck in and have a good taste. finish our food, I'm just going to speak to the Caribbean Corner and just get an idea of what they're about, how long they've been here and what their future plans are. So how long have you guys been here?
We've been here for 4 years now and we're coming into our 5th year of trade.
Fantastic. And tell me a little bit about the business, how it's grown since you started sort of 4 or 5 years ago, and where you see yourself sort of going in the future.
So when we started, obviously being a predominantly white town, there wasn't a lot of understanding for our food and our culture. But I do feel like it's growing day by day.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a good invitation for people that have never tried Caribbean food or never been involved in anything like this. It's really nice for them to come and experience it as well. Yeah, I mean, for the future, we're kind of liking where we're heading at the minute. You know, we're getting more and more custom. We're getting more people coming to experience us and our food, our music, our vibes. It's nice. Yeah. It's really nice.
And that's really good. And then with doing this restaurant, has it sort of given you other opportunities? Have you found that it's kind of landed you sort of different avenues?
Yeah, definitely. We've been invited to quite a few different festivals over the past year, which is always great fun.
Yeah.
We've obviously got our sound system, which travels with us as well. So we're able to take our music everywhere with us. It's really nice.
And what's the name for the sound system if people did want to sort of hit you up for that as well?
So our sound system is Messenger Youth. It is a continuation from a sound system my dad had, which was Messenger sound system actually. And he had that from like the 70s going right on through. So this is like our 2nd generation of that.
Fantastic. And you also do catering as well, so you can come in, obviously taste the food here, you can get it delivered, but if you have got an event or something special going on, you can also get the catering.
Yeah, we do, anything really. We do weddings, parties, there's been private events we've done. It's been lush, it's been really nice.
Oh, thank you so much for taking the time with us today. Honestly, the food is absolutely amazing. If you haven't had the chance to come to the Caribbean Corner in Swindon, I really do recommend coming along. The food is fantastic. They do loads of options. So whether or not you're vegetarian, vegan, or if you like your meat, they've got all the options. So I'll just get her to go through some of the sort of favourite dishes if you're unsure of what you can get.
Yeah, our best sellers are definitely our curry goat and jerk chicken. They're on the menu every day. My personal favourite would be the ackee and saltfish. That is the national dish of Jamaica and it is lovely. I think you had the jerk snapper today, which is another one of my favourites.
Yeah.
We do plenty of ITAL dishes every day, plenty of vegan dishes every day. And I'd say our patties as well, they're really popular. We make them completely from scratch, different flavours every day. We're always taking recommendations on new flavours to try as well. We recently tried an oxtail patty, which was surprisingly really popular.
That was gorgeous.
Yeah, it was really popular.
So there's loads of options, and again, everything's made fresh. They are really adaptable, so if there's something that you want to try or give them some tips or anything, they're happy to adapt to you. So I'd really recommend coming to the Caribbean Corner.